Hi guys, I will show you increase U-turn speed by changing settings. I promise it will work great and give you max speed. First, run U-turn program. Then click options. Then click preference. Now you guys see my settings and then change your settings like mine, because I have already changed my settings for best download speed. Now just see my settings. Connection part used for incoming connections. It is. Then bandwidth must be 0. Then BitTorrent protocol encryption must be enabled. It will give you max speed. Then advanced, set true, and DHT rate to set. Apply. Okay. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me. And it's my first video. Please help me for subscribe. Thank you.